It's that time again where we share another great gift idea for one of your favorite chiefs. This is a shadow box that you can make for a chief, a senior chief, or a master chief. We've all seen the typical shadow boxes, but we like doing things a little bit more unique here. You can make this by using a router or a CNC. For a router, you just need to print out the anchor on a large sheet of paper and copy that onto the wood. Then once you have your router, you're going to cut all the inside lines with the anchor, and then your final cut will be the outside. So you're going to be doing inside of all the chains and everywhere else in between the letters. I start with 3/4 inch thick wood, and it's usually 1x12. I laminate them together using glue only, as I don't want to see dowels showing through if I happen to cut through them. I cut through the anchor at a 45-degree angle so that the wood grain is not going up or down or side to side. I think it gives it a better look, but of course everyone has their own opinion, and you can make the grain go in whatever direction you wish. The top part is what will open and close for the shadow box. After the top is cut, I cut out the bottom two levels. These again are typically 3-inch thick each. The second layer is cut through all the way for 3/4 of an inch to allow room inside the shadow box. As you can see here, I will then go back onto the top and router out 3/8 of an inch on the back side to match the cutout of the other two levels. This will allow more room and for more spots that the plexi and glass can be held inside the top. Then I will also router out, if needed, for lights to fit around the inside of the shadow box. Everything is then resanded and stained to whatever color you wish. Then if I need to, say a senior chief one, I need to cut out 1 star, or a master chief I need to cut out 2, I will do that in a lighter wood and stain it a lighter color so it pops a little bit more. But again, that is up to you. And as you can see, the top of the anchor on the finished product has actual ranks in the top of it, so you can use the space as much as you want or as little as you want. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it. This is just a quick example of what you can do and another gift idea for your favorite chief. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.